Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today, we will dive into a detailed comparison between the ROVSUN 15LBS portable washing machine and the portable mini washing machine. Both of these products offer unique features tailored for different needs. Whether you're living in a small apartment, traveling in an RV, or just need a compact solution for your laundry, we'll look at their capacities, functionalities, and overall usability to help you make an informed choice. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the ROVSUN 15LBS portable washing machine offers a total capacity of 15 pounds, with 9 pounds dedicated to washing and 6 pounds for spinning. This makes it suitable for larger loads compared to the portable mini washing machine, which has a capacity of 16 liters, primarily designed for small items like socks and underwear. If you need to wash more clothes at once, the ROVSUN is the better choice. In terms of design and portability, the ROVSUN is larger and heavier, weighing 24.25 pounds, making it less ideal for frequent movement. On the other hand, the portable mini washing machine is incredibly lightweight at just 4.65 pounds and features a foldable design, reducing its height to only 6.5 inches when stored. This makes it perfect for those with limited space or for travel. The ROVSUN features a twin-tub design with a built-in drain pump, allowing for efficient washing and spinning. This setup is ideal for users who need to wash larger items. In contrast, the portable mini washing machine is a single tub model that includes a spin basket for dehydration. While it is convenient for small loads, it does not offer the same washing power as the ROVSUN. In conclusion, both the ROVSUN and the portable mini washing machine have their strengths. The ROVSUN is perfect for those who need a powerful washing solution for larger loads, while the portable mini washing machine excels in portability and convenience for small items. Depending on your specific needs, one of these machines will surely meet your laundry requirements. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.